wondering why there's no gifts under my tree this year. And that would be because we are not buying Christmas gifts this year for anyone or for ourselves or even for Snow. It's because I've been canceled and I'm broke and I have no money to spend for gifts. Just kidding. Here's the real reason. Hello everyone. I just realized that I never even put up the videos of us decorating our tree. What kind of horrible YouTuber am I? That's exactly what I am, a horrible YouTuber. I wanted to just kind of do like a vloggy style video today. Travis and Snow just went to go do some grocery shopping and I just kind of wanted to catch up with you guys. If you hear like that annoying noise in the background, we are making water. Actually, you know what? Let's talk about this because everyone always asks, like, how do you make water? And this is our water distiller. Basically how it works, and Travis would explain this way better than I do, but our water, so like for instance, you know how you have filtered water from your fridge, or you can put little filters like on your sink faucet and like get water out of the sink. Basically, if you were to take that water and put it in the distiller, like the filtered water from your fridge, and put it in the distiller, there is so much disgusting stuff in filtered water. There's so much just nasty stuff in there. I don't think that we realize that or even know because we don't see it in our cup or our glass, but it's really nasty. So basically how we do it is we just take the regular sink water and then we put it into the distiller over there, this little gray thing. We fill this gray jug up with water and then it distills it or like heats it up and then gives us perfectly clean water. And then when it's done, it takes forever, by the way. It takes like 5 hours to make that, like this, fill this up. But you just like, you know, run it all day or whatever. And then you have a bunch of water and then we store our water in these little like jugs. And that's just like how we have a bunch of them back there. And then that's just kind of how we have our water and how we make it. I put that on my Amazon storefront just because so many people were asking about it. It's still there. I'll leave a link down below. It's under like home something. I don't know, home and something, home and decor. And yeah, I'll try to show you if I can remember. But it's just like a bunch of gunk inside and it just looks nasty and it smells really bad. And a lot of us don't know that we're drinking that water. I had no idea until Travis was like, yeah, we're not drinking that water anymore. We're getting a water distiller. So that's kind of how we make our water. It's really simple. But what else did I want to tell you guys about? Oh, why I'm not buying Christmas gifts this year. So we've said that we were going to do this for so many years now, like not buy Christmas gifts for our family. And it's just because like we all spend way too much money. It's just so dumb. And we wanted to instead take that money and, you know, donate it and get gifts for people that are less fortunate. And so that's kind of what we did, but we also still got gifts for each other, even if it was like one thing. And so this year, we're like, this year for real, we're not doing it. And with like my sister and I going more like eco-friendly, zero waste. And she's not even here this Christmas, which is really sad. It's like only the second Christmas in my whole life. The only other Christmas I didn't spend with my sister was when I was in boarding school, you know, sent away to bad school. And for a year, but this year, like, it's just gonna be so weird without her because, you know, she's my baby sister. It's also her birthday on Christmas. And so I'm just so used to like that day being all about her and just also, you know, Christmas. And it's just gonna be weird without her. So yeah, she's not here, so we're not doing gifts, and we're not buying gifts for Snow because for one, she's too little. She has everything that she could ever want and need, and I can almost guarantee that my dad is gonna buy her gifts even though we said no gifts. My dad doesn't like follow those rules. He's like Santa Claus. But my mom and my stepdad and Trav and I, like, I did get Trav like an Advent tea calendar. And then I got my mom like an ornament. Here, I'll show you. Made. But those are like our no gifts. No gifts for me, like nothing. So I just had this little ornament made. It's metal and it just has like a picture of Snow and I on one side, and then a picture of the three of us, and it says 2019, and that's special and something, you know, that I feel like is not really a gift, but I guess it is. But for the most part, no gifts, because I used to spend probably close to $1,000 on each person for Christmas, which is just insane and ridiculous. It kind of disgusts me. And so what I did was I took that money and I would donate it. And we donated again this year to less fortunate families and charities and stuff like that. But we're not getting each other gifts for Christmas this year. And I'm thinking the future years, no gifts. Maybe for Snow. Oh wait, hold on. I really fucked up and lied. I totally have been lying to you this whole time. I forgot to mention, because I totally forgot. I did get gifts for my niece and nephews, and then, but that's it. So we have 2 nephews and 4 nieces. So we sent them gift cards by email, so it was like 0 waste. And we did do that. But other than that, that was it. One of the gift cards was for all 3 of my sister's kids to do like an annual pass for like the Natural History Museum for them to go to. And then my older niece, who's like 17 or 18, I just got her an Amazon gift card. And Travis's sister, who we do not talk to, has 2 kids, and we always send them gifts every year, or like gift cards. So we also sent them gift cards by email. So other than that, no gifts for anyone. We were probably like, Shannon, bullshit, you literally just told us a bunch of gifts that you just sent. But trust me, compared to what I normally do, like, that's nothing. I didn't get anything from my mom other than that ornament. I didn't get anything from my dad. Like, nothing. So yeah, I didn't buy any gifts, for real. So you might be wondering why, and it's because we are doing our more like eco-friendly, we really don't need to buy gifts for people. And I think, like, if anything, I'm gonna make gifts. So like, I know my stepdad really likes apple butter, so I was gonna maybe make him some apple butter. So, you know, that's not really buying gifts, it's making it. And then I was sent a juicer that I'm not gonna use, and so I'll probably re-gift that to my dad, because he'll probably use that. So things like that. We're just trying to be like more conscious of not just buying stuff. And I also talked about this on Instagram story, and also in a past video that I'm planning on doing a no buy starting in January. And so this is kind of just like getting us ready for that. And yeah, I don't know. I just feel like there's other people out there that need more than we do. And it's very, very selfish to not share the wealth. And also, I think I told you guys, I've been sending a lot of you guys, and I don't talk about this because people are like, oh my God, stop bragging that you're just like sending gifts to all your subscribers. But like almost every day I have sent gifts off of you guys' Amazon wish list that you guys have shared with me. I left a link down in the description of all my videos that has my Amazon storefront. If you click that link, it says like make your wish list here. And it was a place, if you hadn't already made a wish list, that's a link for you to make a wish list, and you can send it to your friends and family of what you want for Christmas. And then some of you guys had shared that with me, and I have picked people almost every day to send gifts to. So I did that instead of gifting my family, who already has more than we can need. Than we can need. My English is very broken, and so is my brain. But then the other thing is that I really wanted to save money this year, which is why I'm going to be doing my no buy starting in January, because I really want to save money for IVF, because we want to, you know, have another baby, and we've been kind of going through that process, meeting with doctors. It's just extremely expensive, and we have to start all over from the beginning, because, you know, Snow was our only surviving embryo from our last IVF cycle. And yeah, so we got to do it all over again. And so we're saving for that, and we're also saving to buy investment properties so that we can buy you know, houses and then like rent them out as like another stream of income for us. So that was like kind of like the long version of why we're not buying gifts this year. Just so many different reasons, and I plan to do this again in the future years for Christmas, other than for the kids, you know, just like the adults are not going to get gifts for each other because we have everything we need, and I'd rather give that money to people who really need it and gifts for families that really need it and stuff like that. So anyway, hopefully that makes sense. I filmed a really hard video today that I am going to be posting probably in the next few days. It was a video that I've tried making for like months now, and I just cried the whole time. I just couldn't get through it, and so I cried a little bit today, but not as much as I did in the past, and I finally got through the video. So if you see like mascara all over and my makeup all messed up, that's why. Or like eyelashes popping off. Because I was crying about an hour ago while filming a very difficult video. All right, what else do I want to talk to you guys about? Oh, I also had shared some of my art on Instagram story. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. Let's be friends over there. And I had done a painting a while back, or like a lot of paintings, and this was one of them. And one of my friends saw it and was like, oh my god, like I want to buy that. And I'm like, I already sold the original. Sorry. And they're like, can you make a print of it for us? And I had just like a shitty copy, you know, like photocopy just from the computer to keep for myself, just so I remembered like what art I did. And I was like, I'm not sending that shitty print to my friend that like wants this painting. So I repainted the whole painting. I think it came out even better this time for him, and I was gonna try to get it in the mail before Christmas, but I literally just finished it, and I had to go to Michael's to get like more craft supplies like paint and like markers, because when I do art, I don't just use acrylic paint, I use like makeup, like eyeshadow and pastels and markers and charcoal. I just use like a lot of different mixed mediums with my artwork. Oh, here, let me just show you some of them. I was cleaning out my thing and I found a bunch of my old paintings, and I was sharing them just like on Instagram story. Let me turn the camera around. So this was one of them. I don't know what it is, but my art is so disturbing, you guys. Like, I don't mean for it to be. This is I did this like way before I had snow. This was from 2011. And here is another one. I think I actually did like a speed painting of this in a video like a while back. And then this one was like from 2000, so it's like really long ago. And yeah, those are some of my disturbing, weird, creepy paintings. And a lot of you guys were like, oh my gosh, you should start painting again. Even though I don't think I'm very good at it. It's just like a really creative outlet for me that I like, enjoy doing it. And a lot of you guys were like, oh my god, please sell them on Etsy. And I'm like, oh my god, are you kidding me? Like, I'm so embarrassed. Although I have in the past, just because you guys wanted me to. And then like I sold out of like almost all of them. Those ones I put up for like a lot because I didn't really want them to sell because I love them. But a lot of them did end up selling. So I might do like a really nice print of this and send that, and then maybe put the original up on Etsy. I don't know, should I sell my art or is it like horrible? I don't know. I love doing it. I think I'm going to continue doing art like when I can, like painting, and then maybe I'll just throw it up on Etsy, and if people want it, they can buy it. If not, you know, no hard feelings because I'm going to be doing it anyways. Also, I just want to give a quick shout out to all my patrons who have signed up this month. Thank you guys so much for signing up for my page. I know not all of you guys can, and that's totally fine. I get it. But I do just want to say thank you for the people that have been able to sign up and support me over there, because it has allowed me to continue making videos here. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if any of you guys, I should probably ask on Patreon too, but if any of you guys have any ideas of like nice things that I can do for my patrons other than giveaways, which I already do over there, let me know down in the comment section below, because I'm curious if you guys are a patron and want to know, and I can ask over there as well. Would there be something that would entice you to want to sign up over on Patreon and If so, what would it be? Let me know down in the comment section. I just feel like I'm rambling at this point, but I just kind of wanted to catch you guys up, say hi, let you guys know what's going on. I hope you guys are all having a good day. I love you all very much, and I will talk to you later. Sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.